So can you guys please start? So whatever I prepared, alpha, whatever I said, alpha testing and beta testing and priority severity. Do you guys remember?
Yes, sir.
So do
Yes,
one
sir.
thing. So whatever you prepared, right? The definitions. Okay. So go and type the definition whatever you prepared in our WhatsApp group. Okay. So we have one group, right? That 11th August kind of.
Yes, yes.
There, go and type your
Yes.
definition, whatever you prepared. Okay. Now.
Okay. Okay.
When now we have to type.
Yeah. Now.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So we have Kavya, Kamya, and Chinnu. Who is that Chinnu? I don't know. Is Renuga?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Where is Nanda? It's left. Okay. So we have alpha testing, beta testing, priority, severity, 4 things. Okay. I'll ask each. So everyone is ready, right? To explain. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll start with Kavya. So Kavya, tell me what is alpha testing?
Alpha testing, it is performed by the internal testing before the releasing the product to the external world. In alpha testing,
Mm-hmm.
it will happen within the testers.
Okay. Yeah. So
In
can you also explain beta testing?
okay, beta testing is after alpha testing. In beta testing, it is performed by the actual users in the real world environment,
Okay.
usually before the final release. In the beta testing, they need to just check the product if any update is there, so that we can update. But in beta testing, there should be no regression or nothing. If any
Okay.
UI, we need to
Yeah.
improve any UI or anything in the application, we need to improve the features. Only that should be updated. If any bug occurs in the beta testing, that is a bad impression to the alpha
Yes.
QA
Okay.
team.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm.
Maybe. Okay. Good. Kamya,
Yes, sir.
can
So
you
alpha,
explain? Yeah. No.
yeah,
No. I'll ask different.
yeah, yeah,
Can you
yeah,
explain priority, severity?
yeah, sir. So priority means the order in which bug should be resolved. Means which bug we should resolve first, then second, and then third. So the
Okay.
levels of priorities are high, medium, and low. High means the defect or bug must be fixed immediately due to
Mm-hmm.
its significant impact on the users.
Okay.
And medium means the defect should be fixed soon, but it is not as critical as the high priority defects or bugs. And low means the defect can be fixed in due course, means later we can fix it after higher priority issues are uh, addressed. And
Okay.
this is priority. And severity means the effect of impact of bug on the functionality of the software, or it can be described as the extent to which a bug affects the software's functionality and usability.
Mm-hmm.
So there are 5 category, means we can categorize it in severity level in 5 category: critical, major, moderate, minor, and trivial. Critical means the defect causes a complete system failure and it
Okay.
requires immediate action. Major
Mm-hmm.
means the defect causes significant loss of functionality, but some parts of system still be operational. And moderate
Okay.
means the defect causes a partial loss of functionality, but the system is still usable. Minor means the bug causes a small issue that doesn't significantly impact functionality of the system. And trivial means the defect is very minor and doesn't affect functionality at all.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Uh, Renuka,
Yes, sir.
can you explain priority? What is priority in the bug?
Yeah. Priority is the urgency of the fixing the issue, sir. So we need to fix the urgently that affected the errors.
Okay. So yeah, can you give one example? Sorry, one difference between alpha and beta testing. What is the main difference in both places?
Differences means alpha testing is the within the company, sir, like inside the company.
Okay.
Beta testing is the customer environment.
Okay. Actually, here the thing is both are in EAT environment only, customer environment only. But the different
Yes.
is, so alpha testing is, that means the testing happens by internal users or internal
Yes.
testers. Okay. The test who will do the system testing and all right, the internal test, we are the persons who will test. And the beta testing is done by external users. Okay.
Yes,
Do you,
customer says.
yeah, do you know why we have these both testers? Why we need to do both persons need to test? Any idea? That is the reason. Okay.
It's application based.
Ye-
Alpha testing is the application level, sir.
Okay.
Beta is the customer side. No?
Okay. Yeah. So okay, maybe I also tell why we have both alpha and beta testing. So whatever we test right in the application, so we usually test that application as functionality way. Okay, if the button is working or not, this link is working or not, we will think like that way only. Okay, that is functional testing. All the functionalities
Yeah.
are properly working or not. That's what we will test. But beta testing means based on the real time usage. Okay, so there
Yes.
is lots of application, right? For example, you will take my company application. Okay, so my
Yes.
company application is usually used in in the labs. Okay, they will take
Yes.
some tissues and they will check something, they will verify in my application. Okay, but
Yes.
as a tester, do you know I have knowledge on that tissues and medical related things? I don't have knowledge on that. I know the application, the functionalities, everything, but how they will use real time, that not everyone knows, right? So that's why we have beta testers. Okay, the beta testers will test the application same like customers. So how they are using in real time, right? The same way they will also test. That is what beta testing. Okay,
Okay.
so that's
Okay.
that's kind of customer perspective. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
the testing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Nanda have mic issue done. So do you guys clear on alpha beta testing and priority severity, right? Or any questions? Any doubts? If you felt, sir, I felt something it's not clear for me. Is there anything like that? I'll explain. I think this alpha beta testing you guys are clear, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
maybe I'll explain priority and severity also. Priority severity is very simple. Whenever you create bug, right? So if the bug is very big thing, like if you are not able to log in, you enter the username password, even you are not able to log in. That's a big issue, right? Then no one able to use the application. So that needs to fix very fast. That means we can give high priority bug. The priority means how fast you need to fix the bug. That kind of bugs are priority. Okay. So what is mean by severity means how much big impact that in the application. So for example, I'll share my screen. Just let me know you guys able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. For example, you are in Facebook. Um, so here, for example, the bug is here you are able to see the Facebook color is blue, right? Now you are able to see that in some other color, orange or red. Okay, that is what is a big impact or small impact. The bug is how you
Small.
will tell small one. So we can give
Yeah.
less severity. It's not a very big impact in the application. But if you
Mm.
see the login, okay, username password, if you try to log in, you're not able to log in. It's a big high severity bug or less severity bug.
Yeah, high severity.
So even
Hi.
your high severity and high priority both, right? So that you
Yes.
will
Yes.
define while creating bug itself. Okay, that's a difference. Okay, I think we'll go to today's topic. Just 1 minute. Oh, sorry. No, okay. Yeah, we'll move to today's topic. So today's topic is, you guys able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So today's topic is functional testing versus non-functional testing. Okay. Before moving to that, so whatever we are learning and whatever we are doing the course, whatever job we are trying, right? This is for functional testing or non-functional testing. Which job we are trying?
Functional.
So then, what is non-functional testing? Any idea? Any guesses? Yeah. Okay, I'll give one small example. If I give this page to you, okay, so what are the things you guys will test? So
Login
what
button is
login, direct
working.
login button. You can email
Email
ID,
address.
password,
Yeah, yeah,
login.
yeah.
Okay. Then
And color.
colors. Okay. This forgot account, sign up for Facebook. This also you will check. You
Yes,
click it's properly navigating or not. Then
yes.
what you will test?
The page is working or not.
Yeah, it's working.
Mm.
What other things you will test? Okay. For example, how many other 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 students are there, right? So I'll ask all the 4 students to log into the application. Just imagine it's not a Facebook, some small application, some other application with login. Okay. So I am asking all the 4 students to log in the same time, same 7:28. The application will log in or not? If you 4 guys will enter your
Yes.
email ID password, if you log in, it will log in or not?
Yes.
The application
Same system or different system?
different system. It will log in. Okay.
Yes.
So okay, I'll ask all my students around 100 people. Okay. So all are going to log in the application in the same time. Okay. The application will log in or not?
We'll log in.
Will log in. Okay. I'll ask 1,000, 2,000 people to log in the system in the same time. Same 7:29. Application will log in or not?
It
Sir,
will
but
log
the
in.
speed will be slow, maybe.
Yeah. It will
Yeah.
log in, it might slow the application. Okay. Okay. I suddenly ask around 1 lakh people to log into the application. Application will log in or not?
Some can log in, sir, but because of the network issue,
Yeah. Application may crash.
Yes.
crash. Yeah.
It's a small application. Suddenly 1 lakh people will log in. Now what will happen? Application won't expect this much users will use, right?
Yes.
So who will test these kind of scenarios? If we have more users, less users, how the application is performing? Who will verify these things? Do you
Functional
think
test.
this is tested by functional testers? We won't test these kind of things. We will test only functionality. This, if you enter this thing, it's working or not. That's all. So then who will test? So this kind of things usually tested by non-functional testers. Okay, this is kind of performance testing. Okay, there is certain types are there under non-functional testing. Okay, so we'll see today what are the non-functional testings. But is there any other real-time example for this performance issue kind of things? So are you ever booked ticket in train? Are you guys ever?
Yes.
Anyone used IRCTC app for Takkal?
Yes.
Not recently, but did, sir.
Yeah. So are you ever seen that the peak time, like around that 11 during the Takkal booking? So
Yeah,
how will
Takkal.
that application? Yeah, how will the application will work? Is it work very fastly?
No, very slow.
No.
So almost like if you mistakenly click somewhere, that's all. You can't book a ticket. That's all done. So that much the application is slow. What is the reason for that?
Many users will be using.
Yes, because large number of users log into the application the same time. That's a
Mm.
lag we are seeing in the application. This all needs to be covered in the part of performance testing. Okay. Okay. So we have lots of non-functional testings are there. Okay. But we don't want everything. We just want these three. This is the general and commonly used non-functional testings. Okay. You may ask why we need to know non-functional testing. We are learning functional testing concept. Why we need to know this? We should know everything. Okay, it's for interview purpose or whatever, right? You should know. Okay, we have two types: functional and non-functional testing. So the non-functional testers will test these kind of things. Okay. Okay. Another question. Okay. So you completed your course, then you joined some company. Okay. Your first company, the interview, everything is completed. Then they asking you to join or as a non-functional tester, like performance tester or security tester, whatever. Did you join or not in that company as a fresher? So you got selected in one company, but they are asking you to work as a non-functional tester. Did you work or not?
No.
Why? Why you won't work? Till come here, till.
Because I don't know means much about that, like networking, I guess.
Okay, it's okay. They will give training. Then you will join or not?
Yeah, then I can
Then you will
join.
join.
Yes.
You guys will join. But if you are a fresher, don't join. Okay, because when it comes to scope for non-functional testing is very less. For example, you joined as a non-functional tester for you have experience around 2 years in functional testing. Sorry, non-functional testing like this performance testing, security testing, something. So after that, you're trying to jump some other company. Okay. Do you think you will get more interview opportunities for you have experience only in this non-functional testing? Then you won't get much calls because the ratio for functional testing and non-functional testing, right? So for example, in your company, if you have 10 testers, okay, out of 10, 9 testers are will be functional testers. Only one person should be a non-functional tester like performance security. So that is the ratio. Okay, that is the ratio you will get opportunity also. Okay, you won't get if you have only experience in non-functional testing, you won't get much opportunities. Okay. So as a fresher, if they are offering you to for non-functional testing, please wait and try to join as a functional tester somewhere. Okay. Okay. Then you have experience 2 years, 3 years. Then do you join or not? In the Kavya, did you join?
Sorry?
Did you join? If you have experience 2 years, okay. Now you have chance to work as a non-functional tester. Did you join?
Yes, I'll join.
Yeah, that is okay. Not only jumping the company, but internally if you have chance, like in your company itself, there is a requirement or there is a chance to work as a non-functional tester, like 6-month performance tester, 6 months security tester, kind of means you can join. So here what will happen, you have some, that is an additional advantage. So now you have experience in functional testing and non-functional testing. These kind of scenarios are some additional advantage that you can do. Okay. So if you are a fresher, you want to start your career with non-functional testing, that only you need to think twice. Okay.
Okay.
We'll see the topics. So there is lots of non-functional testing, but we can see these only three: performance testing, security testing, compatibility testing. Okay. So what is performance testing? I gave an example, right? You have a large number of users log into the application. Then how the application is behaving. These scenarios you are verifying means that is performance testing. Okay. I'll show you some document. So these all are non-functional testing, but we don't want everything. So which is your focus is performance testing, security testing, compatibility testing. These three is the common non-functional testings. Okay, you don't want to know like how we'll do this testing, how we'll do the steps, how they will test, that kind of things you don't want. So what is load testing, what is test testing, what is security testing, what is compatibility testing? That understanding if you have, that is enough. Okay. Okay, under load test performance testing, we have load and stress testing. Okay, so what is load and what is stress testing? So can someone read this quickly?
Load testing is a type of performance testing which involves
Okay.
evaluating the performance of the system under the expected workload.
Yeah, this is the key point. So load testing also the type of performance testing which involves evaluating the performance of the system under the expected workload. Okay. Quickly read this stress testing also.
Stress testing is a type of performance testing where we evaluate the application's performance at a load much higher than the expected load.
Yes. So for example, so we have application. Okay. So there our client wants around 1,000 people can log into my application. If 1,000 people log in also, the system should not crash. It should work properly. There is no slowness and all that kind of requirements your client is giving. Okay. Okay. So as a tester, you will test only with 1,000 or you will test less than or more than. What you will do? What is tester's mindset? So requirement is 1,000. Okay. So by using how many user you will test? So do
for
you think
both,
always 1,000 users will log in?
No.
It might be less or it might be increase, right?
Yes.
So here only what we will do. First we will check with 1,000. First what is the requirement? You want 1,000 users. So first I will complete my requirement. Okay, I will check with 1,000 users or less than 1,000 like 900, 900, 800 kind of users. I will check the application. So how it is behaving. That is called load testing. So under the expected workload. Okay. So load testing is this is also type of performance testing which involves evaluating the performance of the system under the expected workload. Okay. So but as a tester we can't think right. It's always 1,000. It might be quite more also. Suddenly 1,001, 1,002 users are logged into the application. Then what will happen? That also we need to confirm, right? So we will check with the additional users, not more. Like if your requirement is 1,000, you can't check with 2,000, right? That's very huge. But you can check with the minimum numbers higher than that, right? So what
Yes.
you will do, you will just try with 1,100, 1,200. If you have 1,200 users are log into the application, then how the application is behaving. That kind of verification also you will do. Okay. That is called stress testing. So, so stress testing is a type of performance testing where we'll evaluate the application performance at load of much higher than expected. This is the difference. Okay, load testing versus stress testing is load testing just under the expected workload. Stress testing is much higher than expected load. Okay, it's a small difference. Maybe can someone read this example? It will be very easy.
For an application with an anticipated load of 1,000 users, we will run the test with 1,200 users and check if the application is robust enough to not crash.
Yes. If you have 1,000 users, the plan, but you will try with 1,200s to check the application still it's not crashing or not. Okay. This is what load and stress. Okay. Any doubts on this? So you can just take this two line. Load testing means what is stress testing. This is enough. Okay.
So 1 minute, sir. Can I take
Yeah.
the
Oh, you want to take.
screenshot?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I'll share these documents, but not now. In the end of the course.
Stress testing. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This two is enough for performance testing. Okay. Then next we'll start with security testing. Security testing is kind of what security testing checks. For example, is there anyone have siblings, a sister,
Yes.
sister,
Yes.
both Kamya and Kavya? I think you guys looks like sister only, Kamya, Kavya.
Yes.
So yeah. So just for
Mm.
example, okay, the example, you guys are using one application, kind of e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart is there, right? Same like that, you guys are also anyone, okay, using one application. That application there you are giving your number, personal details, everything. Okay. So after some days, you got some random calls from some random persons. Okay. Then you got to know your number got leaked from the application. Then did you recommend this application to your sisters?
No.
Did you recommend this application to your any friends or anyone?
No.
Why?
No,
No.
sir.
Why you won't
Because
recommend?
your
Security issue.
application is
Yes,
leaked.
it's not safe, right?
Safe. Yeah.
So if the customer feels, customer means the person who is using the application, right? The customer feels it's not safe, the data are not secured, then no one will use the application, right? That's why the application security is very important. Okay. Not only this example. So for example, if you are using mobile applications, like everyone have the bank account, right? So for example, if you are using HDFC, you have HDFC app for bank. So same like that, you have different banking applications, right? So there you will enter your customer ID, password, everything, right? Then just imagine you got to know your all the amounts got debited and theft by someone, the person who all are using the application, that banking application. Then did you use that application?
No,
No.
never.
Do you ever use? Because in our daily basis we are saving small amounts. In the end, it's done by that's all some hackers. Or you ever use the application? No, right?
No.
Mm.
We want some safest application. If it is not safe, then why we need to use? That mindset will come, right? Then no one will use the application. Then that's all, right? So
Yeah.
that's security is very important. Okay. Okay. Security testing. So security testing checks if the software is secure and protects the sensitive information or not. Okay. This is what the security testing checks. Okay. It aims to find and fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. If your application is easily hacked by someone, then did you use the application?
No.
No.
For example, in I think you guys may use Insta. Or, I don't know you guys still using Facebook, but Instagram you might use, right?
Mm.
So I know your Instagram ID. I mean, like username I know. Okay. So if I enter username, I did not. I know I entered some wrong password. Then I click login. I'm able to log in. Then that is right.
No.
I only enter your right username. I enter wrong password and I try to log in. Then that is right. It
No.
is not
No.
right. Then what will happen? Anyone can use your application, right?
Yes.
Anyone can
Yes.
use your ID. I can post my photo in your ID. That's not right, right? So this kind of things needs to check properly. That's what security. Okay. Not only that, so this application is very easy to hack by hackers. Then anyone hack your account and they will start use the applications, right? The application should be very secured. The firewall needs to be very strong. That kind of things. It comes little bit technical, but we won't do anything on that. It's under security testers. Okay, they will use something firewalls and all. Then they will test. Okay, but we need to know what is security testing. So what security testing checks the software is secure and protects the sensitive information or not. So its main focus is user authentication. Authentication means the same. You have username, but if you enter the wrong password, even you are able to log in, then that is not the right things. And data encryption and decryption. Are you ever seen this? This is encrypted and decrypted. This word. Do you guys using WhatsApp, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
in chat, you can see it's encrypted and decrypted. That means no one is able to see your message apart from you and the opposite person. That's a mean. Okay. So these are things they will check. Okay. This is what security testing. The main purpose of the security testing is to check the software is secure and protects the sensitive information or not. That's all. Okay. Any questions or any doubts on this?
No.
So you no need to explain everything. What is security? This security testing, and it will aims to find fix vulnerabilities that could not be exploited by hackers. And its main focus is user authentication and data encryption description. This is enough. And if you want, you can see the example also. Testing an online banking application to make sure that the user account information is protected from unauthorized access. Okay. Clear? Any doubts?
No.
No,
Okay. If you want, please take a screenshot. Okay. Next one is compatibility testing. Okay. Before moving to this, is there any iPhone users are there in our batch? Any iPhone users?
Not me.
Not you. Okay. And all others are iPhone users.
no, sir.
No, sir.
No. Nanda, you need to ping, I think. Okay. Anyway. So we want some iPhone user to explain this example. Okay. For example, I am using iPhone, but I don't have iPhone. Just for example. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. What will tell the example? So we all are using Zomato, Swiggy, right? So for example, I am also in Chennai. I think you guys someone in Chennai, right? Who is in Chennai?
No.
No. Is there anyone from Chennai?
No. Bangalore.
No, sir.
Okay, Bangalore. I take Bangalore as example. Okay, Kavya. So me and Kavya is a neighbors. Okay. We both order some foods. I'm using iPhone, so he's using normal phone. Okay. Uh, will what shop? We both are stayed nearby only. Make next to her house only. I also stayed. So for example, we both are ordering biryani from Magna Biryanis in
Mm.
Bangalore. We know, right? Or if you know, so we both are ordering from there. Okay. In Swiggy or Zomato, some app. So for me, the bill is showing 500 one biryani. For her, the bill is showing 350 something, 400. Do you think this is right or wrong?
That's wrong.
Why it's wrong? Because application should behave same as all places, right?
Yes.
Even if you're using iPhone or normal phone, the rate should be same, right? Can I think recently there is a issue also happened with this same scenario. Like if you are using cab auto, right? The if you are using normal phone, it's showing normal price. But if you are using iPhone, it's showing some little bit extra price. Groceries also somewhere in Zepto also I see that issue. So
Oh.
that means the compatibility testing is not happen properly. That's what the main reason. Okay. Compatibility testing means the system, sorry, the software, the application whatever we are using, right? It should behave same in all places. That's what compatibility testing. Okay. If you have one application, like if you have your own company application, then application should work properly in Even iPhone or normal phone should be work properly in same way. Okay, that's what compatibility testing. Okay, and another example, for example, so whatever the browser I am using here is Chrome, right? So also we have browser called Edge. Do you guys know, right? This browser.
Yes.
So for example, I am opening the login Facebook login page here. So same like that I can open from here also, right? In Edge also I can open Facebook, right?
Yes.
So just imagine here it's showing properly like this. But if I open the same login page in the Edge, there it was showing everything in black and white. Okay. Do you think that is right?
No.
Oh.
The
Sir,
application
no.
should show in all places in same way, right?
Yeah.
If it is differs from browser to browser, device to device, then that's not right. That's not expectation, right? So these all you will check in the compatibility testing. Okay. Now we'll see read the compatibility testing. So compatibility testing ensures that software works well on different devices, browsers, and operating systems. So it verifies that the application is compatible with the variety of environments, even if you have small screen or large screen. For example, so earlier we have 3G phones, right? 2G, 3G phones. There also we have Facebook, Instagram. Do you think there it's working differently, and in 4G, 5G phone it's working differently? It's same in all places, even it's a small screen and big screen. That's what the compatibility testing. So as a compatibility tester, what will happen? In front of you have lots of things. You have iPad, normal phone, iPhone, monitors, browsers, everything is open. So you will check your application in all the places. You should confirm this is working in all places in the same way. That's all. This is what compatibility testing. Okay, very clear. I think this is very understandable example. I think for compatibility testing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any questions on this?
No, sir, we should not focus on this, focus on operating system compatibility and all.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
You
sir.
should know first what is this. That's
Okay.
enough. As a
Okay.
functional tester, you don't need to know like how they will do this compatibility testing, how they will do the security testing. That we
Okay.
no need to care. Okay, just we need to know what is this, what is that. We should understand. We should have the understanding. Okay,
Okay,
even
sir.
we are working in functional testing, you should know everything. Okay,
Okay.
that's the purpose of this particular class. Okay, can you please take a screenshot of this? Okay, maybe can you take screenshot of this as well? So if in interview we can ask this many questions like, so what are the questions they may ask in interview? So what is the difference between functional testing versus non-functional testing? This is your first question. Okay. Then what is performance testing? Under that, what are the load and stress testing? What is security testing? What is compatibility testing? These are all the questions you may get from this topic. Okay, this is enough. The task for you is what is the difference between functional versus non-functional testing? Okay, that is your task. Differentiate between functional versus non-functional testing. Okay.
Okay.
Any questions, any doubts on this topic? Silence means
No, sir.
Oh, sir.
okay. Yeah. So the task for tomorrow is functional testing versus non-functional testing. Clear?
Yeah.
I think tomorrow Nanda is the first person who is going to explain. Okay, Nanda? We'll wait for chat. Okay. Okay, sir. Then, but not in the chat. You should fix your mic. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Is there any other questions? Anything? Do you guys want to check?
Yes, sir. Can I ask, sir, from Bug Life
Yes.
Sidekick?
Yes, please.
Sir, you told that whenever new bug is found, then
Hmm.
three things we have to do, like proper heading, steps to reproduce, and priority and severity.
Yes.
So steps to reproduce means that flow chart, that only, no?
Not a flow chart. The steps
Means
same like description. Okay, I will show you.
description means like
Description means like, so you have separate column like steps to reproduce. Okay, so there you need to mention each and every steps from where you found the bug.
it's a very big one.
I will show you. I will show you. It's very simple. Maybe this error I will show you. So here you are able to see that reproducible steps heading, right? So inside that
Okay.
you need to write. So log into the application, open order, click the material, open derivative and management screen, click Q button. If you click, expected result is derivative to 1 should be queued, and actual result you are getting error. That's all.
Okay. Description. Okay.
Yes, it's not description, but it's called steps to reproduce. There you
Okay.
need to mention all the steps from the beginning where you got the error, right?
Okay.
That you need to mention.
Okay.
And you have the column called priority and severity. Then
Yeah.
you can choose first 2, 3, 4 or severity also like that. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. They have other things also like this parent and sometimes the tags, these things. But it will differ based on the company. Some company will use, some company won't use. They will
Okay.
teach. If the company is using, they will teach you. Whenever you create bug, you need to add tag. Tag mention like 2023.8, the version number, kind of. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions? No. Okay. Yeah, please.
Sir, when I searched this severity and priority, now, so one thing was also there, like bug is uh, critical and high priority, like both are there, like severity and priority means. I'll means I will show you the screen tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
okay. So nothing. Okay, severity and priority means
So that I
priority.
understood, but
Yeah.
one okay, sir. I'll tell you, sir, tomorrow.
Okay, okay, done.
Oh,
Is there
oh,
any other questions?
No, sir.
Okay, then we'll meet tomorrow.
okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.